Yeah. Yeah. So the first, if it's this x absolute value, let me don't call it x, use another name. When m, if a number is m, it's absolute value less than or equal to 3. What should be the solution? I ask Neil.
It would be
Okay, let me just tell you directly.
Would it be -3 to 3?
Included both ends, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then for here, you just take this as one number, right? So we have 3x minus 8 greater than or equal to -1, but less than or equal to 1, right? Then for this three parties, you add 8, so you get 3x greater than 7, here less than 9. Then both divided by 3. Right. That's why we, oh, no, sorry, here is 3. Right. That's why we get the answer. Okay, 12. Keep going, hold. Yeah, Ray, you just write your answer on the left side. Then I will show the answer. I still not know the answer. First, I will say if you guys get the same answer. Yeah, 12, problem 12. So you think all real number, right? So, Ray, this is your answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you get very amazing. You get same answer as Neil, but I don't think it's maybe it's not correct. I need to check. So I will think it in this way. If x equal to 4 or x equal to -8, then of course it's equal to 0, right? Now we just think about they are not these two values. That means they will not be 0, right? Then of course this is positive, right? Because it's square. Now the base not 0, so of course it's greater than 0, right? Then in order to let this greater than 0 means positive, then this should be positive. So this equation go to x plus 8 cube should greater than 0, right? Or, like this. Yeah, anyway, let me mention it again. I mean, this, of course, is the solution, right? I already take this as a solution. So if so, I can cancel
And it
this.
could be bigger than 4 too,
Yeah.
right?
Now let's think about how to make this positive. Do you think this is always a positive?
No.
Suppose no, right? Then how to let it be positive?
Only put positive numbers for x.
Only x plus 8 is a positive number, right? So we need x plus 8 because if it's negative, then it's negative, right? Anyway, this should be, then x should greater than -8, right? Then combine them. Then I suppose answer is just x greater than or equal to -8, right? Not a real number.
Well, I did say -8 to infinity.
Oh, this is 8.
Yeah, but it wasn't negative infinity.
That's why I mentioned, oh, you get the same answer because I take as negative infinity. Do you think so? Yeah, it's a standard 8, not 9, 8.
Well, yeah, because I put infinity there before, but then I erased it, so it looks like there's still infinity.
Yeah, anyways, I suppose this is the answer. But even so, you still get a mistake. You didn't include -8, right?
That is a negative though.
No, if you include, it should be use this square bracket.
Right, I forgot.
Now let's check answer. 12. Right. Then this is not correct.
I know I got 13, 14, and 15 wrong.
Oh.
Because I didn't know what to do for those.
Yeah. So, Ray, are you okay with it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, if you are not okay, you can check our video after class. Then 13. Yeah, I suppose I send you guys a video link. It's exactly this problem.
Oh.
But maybe you didn't watch. So it's okay. Yeah, I suppose you guys still not know the answer. Right. Yeah, the 13 is on the. No. Oh, what? Yeah, first I will say how you guys get. Hold. Let me do a whiteboard. Just show. Yeah, you can write your answer. Neil, you mean?
Yeah, I know I got 13, 14, and 15 all wrong. So I didn't know what to do.
You still not get answer.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay. So it's like a question mark, right? How about you, Ray? Oh, this is one interval. Yeah, there is a bottled water if you need after the screen. So it's kind of a complicated solution, right? Oh. Yeah, we can check answer first. They just tell us answer, but not not show us how to get this answer, right? So we can check first, no problem. Oh. And
this is just simplified.
Oh, and combine this. Let's say -2. Here, how you can you can simplify it a little bit. Let's say this means 2, 3 radical, right? So you can cancel 2. Here go to 3. Here go to 3, right? Yeah. So it's correct. Then how about here? -1. Here is again. This is let it go to 3 square root. Hold. here go to 3, here go to 3, right? But here is difference, right? Suppose maybe here should be mass like this,
yeah,
right?
like this is just a
Then, but you have another one. You say they don't have, right?
Because I saw this includes.
Okay, so you can double check. Now let's clear all this, and even let this go bigger. 13. Oh. Yeah, let's talk about this problem. By the way, if it's here not inequality, if it's just equation, what we should do? Now think about this first. Even I can hide it. Yeah. For example, if here not inequality, it's just equal to. How will you solve this?
First, get rid of the x in the denominator. We first find the common.
You mean LCD? Both sides multiply LCD to clear fraction, right? Yeah. Okay, I know what you guys mean. You mean, for example, the equation, whole equation multiply LCD. Here is x plus 1, x plus 2, right? Then for example, x cancel, you get x plus 1, x plus 2. Then second, you get this, right? Last one, you get x equal to 0, right? Okay, we will not go to finish it. We just talk about the strategy. Then for inequality, maybe we can use this similar method, right? But what's the difference? Okay, let me tell you this. We are not sure if this is positive or negative. First, they are not 0. We are sure, right? Because if this is 0, means one of the denominator is 0. Yeah, anyway, they are not 0. We can multiply. But if they are positive, we just keep this, right? Means no need to reverse the inequality symbol. But if it's negative, then we need a reverse, right? That's the only difference to solve equation, correct? Then how we can know if this is positive or negative?
We first find the least common.
You need split into different category. For example, x is in what kind of interval, then it's positive. X at another interval is negative, right? Yeah. Okay, maybe we can do one case. Yeah, by the way, how to know this? If we have a function, then suppose it's where is its x-intercept for f of x?
The x-intercept should be 0, -1, and -2.
-1, -2, right? Then suppose if we draw a sketching f of x, suppose this is positive, then here negative, then right? Yeah. then you can say this is positive. Here is positive. Here is negative. Here is negative. Right? Yeah. Yeah. For example, we can do one case. if x greater than 0, right? Then suppose this is positive. Then we don't need the reverse. It's just like solve equation, right? Okay, we'll not spend time more time on this. Uh, I just send you guys the video. You can go to check it. In the WeChat group. Okay, next. Oh. $14. Ray, could you show your answer? For which the root of the equation are real number. You mean 0? K is 0? Yeah, here later you find the value for K, right? So you just get K equal to 0, right?
Yeah, that's the only one I can see.
Oh. And Neil, suppose not a good idea, right? Okay. This is what kind of equation?
Wait, this is like a. Oh, wait, this is like a circle.
No, this we just call quadratic equation.
Oh.
K actually means it's like some constant, but we still not know its value. Yeah, it's quadratic. When we talk about the roots or the solution, it means for x, not for k.
Oh.
This is kind of strange. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, for quadratic equation, in what kind of case the solution is real numbers? Remember?
Oh.
We have something to judge it. How we call it?
Oh, is it that's
No. Discriminant.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what
I
don't.
I'm not. You don't have idea.
I don't remember names.
Okay, let me have a review for you. For quadratic ax squared plus bx equal to 0, right? The discriminant is this, b squared minus 4ac. Yeah, even we can write the whole solution is 2a negative b plus or minus this, right? This we call quadratic formula. You say, in order to have real number, you have to let this defined. That means that when b squared minus 4ac, if greater than or equal to 0, then there is real number, right? But if less than 0, no real number. But in future, when you learn the complex number, you will say, oh, there is a complex solution. Yeah, anyway, this we call discriminant. Now, can you solve it now? You both, yeah, do it. Find the value of k. Maybe not just one value. You suppose it's you solve inequality. You done?
No, that's probably not right.
You just check this. Now, let me tell you what's the inequality. B squared minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. That's what you should solve. B squared minus 4ac.灯有没有晃到你？灯有没有直接照到眼睛？意思 OK 对吧 ？OK， 嗯，Yeah, who get the answer?
I got.
Yeah, if you get the answer right on screen, how about you? 嗯
Where do I go?
Let me say b squared means 9 minus, no,
I mean, it would be because
this should relate to k. You say b is 3, so it's 9, right? Minus 4, a is 1, right? Then who is c? In problem 14, who is c?
a squared.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll ignore 1. Just write k squared. This, yeah, solve it.
Is that correct?
Maybe. Yeah, let's check. So it's correct, right?
Was correct.
14 is correct. Right. Solve this. Yeah, let me write here quickly. We have 9 minus 4k squared greater than, right? Then we have 4k squared less than 9. Or k squared less than, or even you can take this as 3 over, right? Yeah, anyway, if you draw each, take a k as a variable, uh, that means you have a function, how to call, just call g of k equal to k squared. Ooh. Yeah, anyway, you can get this answer. Okay. Then let's go next. Oh, you already say the answer. We want to say one by one. The point AB lies in the third quadrant on the graph of 9. Find AB distance from. Yeah, how about you? Oh, you have question mark. Yeah, but for example, if this is a problem in your exam, it's 10 points. If it's 10 points, if you cannot completely get it done, at least you can do something. Write equation.
I just didn't know where
then
to even start.
You can get some points, right?
Where should I put my
For example, you draw it. You draw this case in the coordinate system. Can you draw it to show what that it means? But do you have your final answer?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find it because I didn't circle it.
Oh,
And right now this picture is so messy. Was it?
you can write your answer first. So let me write this is the case. It's like this kind of line. Right. Then point third quadrant means it's on this, right? Found a point. Yeah, let me use blue. Yeah, we call this point is A, B. Its distance to the orange is this, right? So the orange is, you draw it. Yeah, like what I draw, right?
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, and first let's see if we get the right answer. Suppose not. Right. It means A equal to -4, B equal to -7. Right? Yeah, by the way, what do you usually show? What's this?
That's from wait. So could it also be 4, 7, like +4, 7 as well?
+4. Oh, no, because here mentions in third quadrant.
Oh,
right?
I just
Yeah. Anyway, so let me show how to do it. You know, this point is on this line, right? Correct? So you can say it's, if x is a, then actually y is 2a plus 1, right? Which also means b. So we just need to go to find a, right?
Yeah.
How to find a distance formula? Distance formula. So we have, as is to the orange, actually it's easy. The distance, or distance square. Distance is this. The distance square is, right? Then this equal to, I already square them, so just means a square plus 2a plus 1 square, right? Then you just solve this. Suppose it's not quite hard. Here, 2a square means 4a square plus a square, 5a square, right? Then here is 2a double, so it's 4a. 1 square means 1. 65 go to right side is -65. Together it's negative. Right. Now who can solve this quadratic equation? If not use the quadratic formula. If from the answer we suppose, maybe we can factorize it, right?
Yeah. Oh, 5a minus.
Could you write it down when you get idea? Yeah, Ray, if you get, you can write on screen directly. Yeah, I also think about it. Here is.
Yeah, I got it.
So, yeah, give me one moment. So I suppose here. Yeah, what I get is
Yes.
a 5a We get this. Same. Yeah, we get the same. Right. Now let's say we get to one is a equal to -4, another is a equal to 16/5, right? Then of course a should be negative, right? Because it's in third quadrant. That's why this not work. This not work. We just keep this, right? Then we go to the final answer. Okay. 16. Yeah, we still not know the answer for 16. How about you guys? After solving the equation, given an example of what is meant by an external root.
I just said x.
Yeah, just now actually in problem 15 we get an extra. Remember we get a equal to -4 and a equal to 16/5. 16/5 is externals in problem 15 because we need it's less than 0, right? Yeah.
In 16, I got x equals to -2 and 3, and extraneous is 2.
And x in this case there. Yeah, anyway, just to show you answer. If it's correct, we may pass. You get -2 and 3, right? Right.
Yeah.
And you judge why here go to 2? Here is -2.
Oh.
Right.
Okay, extraneous is -2.
Yeah. How about you? What's your answer?
I got 6 and -1.
Could you write it? What kind of solution you get, and which ones are extra?
So 1, 6,
One is -1. Oh. Just one?
Oh wait, I think
-1.
my 3 would also be extraneous, I think. Now that I see it.
-1 is all you get?
Yeah.
These are extras.
Yeah, wait. I mean, like -1 is extraneous.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the other.
You should write all the roots you get.
Oh.
And judge if some of them are external. Okay. So different to you, right?
Yeah, both of mine are extraneous, I think.
Okay, before we go to C answer, let's do it ourselves. So first we can write equal to x minus 1. Then we know we have to let this greater than or equal to 0, right? Otherwise it's undefined. That means that x should greater than or equal to 1, right? This is the constraint, means must be satisfied. Anyway, if this is satisfied, we can both square. Then we get, yeah, keep write this as, then x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So we have x minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0, right? So x should be -1 or 6. Yeah, but as mentioned, x should greater than or equal to 1. So this is extras. Right? Yeah, now let's see how this happened. If x is -1, actually here is -2, right?
Yeah, I see my mistake.
But this side is 4, means it's 2. So 2 equal to -2 is false. But when you square it, or you think they are equal to, right? That's why we get extra.
I found my mistake in mine.
I moved because they factorize?
I moved 1 to the other side and still had it a +1.
Okay, anyway. Yeah, let's say, yeah, this is the only correct root. Okay, then we finished chapter 2. Now let's check chapter 3 to see if we'll just do the chapter test or we'll go through it section by section. Function. Yeah. Graph of function, shape of graph, average rate of change. Graphing method of combining function, iteration, inverse function, then summary. Okay, maybe we'd better slow down this time, section by section. Yeah, before we go into section 3.1, who can tell what's the definition of a function?
A function is something that it's kind of like an equation that well, it's something I don't even know how to describe. I don't know.
You don't know, but you learned.
Yeah.
But you cannot describe or repeat the definition, right?
Yeah.
Ray, how about you?
Function is something where you have an input and you have a unique output value. That's what a function is.
Not get the keyword.
But the output
Yeah, let me quickly show it. First, we have relation, right? Means two variable. If they have relation, then we call it relation, right? When like your age, it's change as time change, right? Then we say your age is a function of time, right? Anyway, so first we have relation. Function is kind of relation, but not all relation are function. Then suppose for function, they should satisfy some special requirements, right? So what's this special requirements?
That there is only one output for each input value.
Yeah, one and only one, or exact one. That's the keyword. For each input, there is one and only one output. If satisfy this condition, then is function. No more requirements, just this condition. Okay, now let's go into this. Oh, come on. What happened? Yeah, let's quickly say, I don't know where is the keyword. Where is the definition? Oh, here. Exact one element in B, right? So each element in set A means domain. Exactly one element. Sign or we call like correspond, right? Okay. Then we call the set A is domain, the set B is range, right? Even it's not a function, we also call all the data set for all possible value of input is domain. All possible value for output is range. Yeah. Yeah, will not go into so detail. What's this mean? A is here is A, B, C, D, four questions, right? Which one is function?
It's
What's this mean? Let A, B, G, B, S, T, which of the four corresponds in figure 4? Represent the function from A to U. Let do represent function specify the. Okay, which one you think is function?
B and C.
so C, D, and
The C, D, and A are function. Right. Yeah, let's judge one by one. For this, do you think it's function? I suppose it's no. Why? I suppose the definition is for each element in A, they should have one. But for example, G not have corresponding, right? That's why it's not.
Oh yes.
B is not because this has two output, right? For this, yeah, suppose works. This works. So they have same output, but it's okay, right? We don't require they must have different output, right? Yeah, so let's just think C and D are correct. Yeah, let's check. Both of the output are S and Z, and so the range is this. Quantify as a function from A to B. Yeah, but I just think a little bit of strange. When we talk about the range, suppose is some corresponding value. Means, I mean, suppose there is some input correspond to it, then it stay in the range. Otherwise, it should not in the range. That's my point. Oh, okay. Here they didn't say STUZ means the range, right? They didn't say this. They need us specify the range. Then suppose this still not range. Otherwise, we don't need to specify, right? Okay, yeah. If so, it explains. So anyway. Yeah, so basically give your function or relation, you should identify what's the domain, what's the range, right? Normally, it just let it define. So for example, for the square root, then this should greater than or equal to 0. For here, as its denominator, it cannot be 0, right? Okay, so then more sense, it's even complicated. First, x minus 4 as denominator cannot be 0. Then the O of this rational, as it's the radicand, So it it should be greater than or equal to 0, right? Mm. Range of the function defined by this. Now think about what's the domain for this?
It's all numbers. Wait, it's negative infinity to 3 and 3 to positive.
Yeah, anyway means x cannot be 3, right? All real numbers except x equal to 3. Yeah. But they want you go to find the range.
Oh.
Yeah. Now can you try? Even I give you whiteboard on the top. And you can write on your workbook. Chapter 3. Ray, you already done, right?
Uh,
You mean -3 to infinity. Neil, you think by yourself. Don't take it for granted that Ray is correct. Yeah, again, here is for range, not for domain. Domain is simple. Yeah, keep think about it. How you know it's -3 to infinity? For example, do you think this can be -10 or -5? Yeah. So Neil, do it yourself.
That's -3 is
I would suggest you go to new page. For each problem, give it a separate area. You don't need to save paper, right? Right, even you can show your works on the screen. You say we have not room for reading.
it should just be
This. I'm not too sure. I don't think it's right.
Negative infinity to
Wait.
1. Right?
No, wait. Let me check. Let me check. I just realized. Nope.
Do you get a new idea?
No.
Not really. By the way, you can think in another way. What's the parent function for this function? Do you have idea about the parent function?
Well, what is parent?
Yeah,
parent function.
Yeah, for example.
1 over x.
Yeah, you get it.
Fractional.
Yeah, 1 over x. Yeah, for 1 over x, you think what is the range?
1 over x?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's in. Would it be like? Would it be like this?
Let me see. Oh, you mean for this example 4, right?
Or like something like that, close to it?
Actually, this is correct.
Okay.
But yeah, but you need to understand why it's correct, right?
Because I just saw like when I was putting in numbers, they were all just converting to like.
Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, now how about let me show you guys. So this is example. I show you first, then we also check example. All right. Let me write what you right here. Yeah, change this to x minus 3. X minus 3 because we want to cancel it. All right. Then here is plus 5. All right. Am I right? Then we get y equal to x minus 3 over x minus is 1 plus 5x minus 3. Now can you find its parent function is y equal to 1 over x, right? Yeah, first, what's the domain for this? It's just negative infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. That means that no chance to be 0, right? The function value, no chance to be 0, but can take all other values. Yeah, now let's talk about the transform. How you can use the graph of this 1 over x after all kinds of transformation to get this? Who can? Yeah, one by one. And you can call the name of this operation. Show it step by step. Yeah, you can go first step, Ray go second step, then I go third step. Until we get this. Yeah, let Neil has the first step. How you can let this transform to
the y equals 1 plus.
hold 2 over what? Say it again.
Wait. transform 1 over x to what? To the 1 plus 5?
Yeah, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5.
What am I?
Yeah, we're starting from here, right?
Yeah, where am I trying to get to?
Okay, anyway, let me see. Can we go to this? Then how to call this kind of transform from 1 over x to 5 over x?
Is it stretched by 5?
Stretched by 5.
Is it stretched vertically by 5?
Yeah, you get it. First, vertically. This scale factor is 5, right? So vertically, I just write way. Vertically. SF equal to 5. Then Ray, can you show transformation? Have you learned?
Yeah. I think I've learned some.
Yeah. Which one you want to go?
Right.
Yeah, you can write yourself. That's the advantage you have with your notebook, right? So make sure charge your notebook and bring it here.
So what do you do?
Yeah, we already finished the first step. What's this? Oh, horizontal. Yeah.
By 1.
By 1. Oh, okay, write your. Then what do you get? So Neil, do you think he is correct?
Isn't it translate up 1?
So it means go up, right?
Oh yeah, it should be on the
Yeah.
denominator.
Yeah, so you have to either this is wrong, your result is wrong, or either your operation is wrong, or at least the wrong name, right? Yeah, so we just call it 1 up, okay? Then for me, of course, I will change it to right? Then how to call this?
Translate right 3.
Yeah. Right 3 unit, right? Yeah, then you say as its range is this. During all these things, the only thing is when we plus 1, we change the range, right? From cannot be 0 to cannot be 1. So the range is 1 and 1 to infinity, right? Okay, let me screenshot. Okay. Yeah, let's quickly check. Ooh, what's this? In order to find y. So they rewrite like solve for x, right? Then they judge. Means find its inverse function. Is here mentioned its inverse function? Yeah, anyway, they mean from this we know y cannot be 0, right? Sorry, y cannot be 1. Anyway, it's a kind of a special thing. Yeah, we'll pass this. Use function notation, compute. Compute each of them. Just use this replace x, right? To find x cannot be 4. Is 3 in the range of f? Then you need to know its range first, right? Yeah, now can you judge if 3 is in the range or not? Yeah, we just do this. How to decide it?
It's not.
You mean 3 not in the range?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, if you found our method, this should you should take -4 plus 4. So it's just 1 plus 4x. Yeah, as we mentioned, its range just not include 1. It's all real number except 1. Then suppose this is in the range, right? That's my conclusion. Yeah, let's see how example do it. You mean just solve this, right? So when x equal to 6, this equal to, yeah, in the range. Okay, yeah, it's a different method, but both get the conclusion, right? Yeah, we'll not check one by one. Yeah, we'll see if you guys okay with this. Compute this. Yeah, how to do this? Yeah, think about it. Ray, could you just show on the screen? Ray, can you write something? Yeah. 1 minus.
That's
Yeah, please write your final result. Yeah, you can double check.
Wouldn't it be
You get the same.
negative 1?
Are you done? Not yet. Okay, let's.
Because the x plus 1 should
Yeah,
be,
you should have this, right?
oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
done.
Yeah. Let's go next. So yeah, don't forget it's not just the minus x. It should minus the sum of x and 1, right? Take it as one value. Anyway. Okay, let's see how many side we have. What's this mean? Right, this symbol here. What's this? Is something very Chinese?
Oh yeah.
Oh, maybe the first letter for challenge, right? Maybe. Yeah, how about this? You can write down your homework. This is section 3.1, right? We'll show it's 3.1. Yeah, but I know it's 3.1. You just do problem from Q11 to 66. Just do the problem which is the problem number is multiple of 11. Means you do 11, 22, 32, 33, 44, 55, 66. Yeah, equal is 11 multiple, right? Means just the 6 problem. Then let's do the problem previous to it. For example, 11. Now we go to 10. For 22, we go to 21. I mean, in class will handle. Yeah, anyway, let's go to 10. Yeah, if it's easy, we'll just skip. Domain of each function for problem 10. 10. Can you just do this and this? Just show, I suppose just show its domain, right? Yeah, just show domain. Ray, you can just write your answer on the screen. You do it yourself. Yeah, go to find the domain. I write the words domain here. Yeah, you can also say, oh, I just agree with Ray. Then it's also means answer, right?
Yeah.
But if not, mention.
I was just looking at the.
Okay.
Yeah, that seems.
Yeah, when you're done, let me say.
Yeah.
You agree with him? Yeah, you just write something confusing. Yeah, let me show you. The only thing wrong is means negative for included. Right, but what you draw is between round bracket and square bracket. Right. Anyway, you have to be careful with this. Then 22, we go to 21. All right. Determine the domain and the range. 21. Yeah. Let me give you space. Yeah, you can write your answer here. 21. Yeah, by the way, if you want, you can also use the method shown in the exam, right? It's kind of different to what I showed. Are you calculating by calculator?
Yeah, I want to check.
But I don't really think here we need a calculator. Yeah, anyway, try to get your answer. Let me see. Yeah, looks good. Keep going. By the way, again, this is round.
Yeah, it's supposed to be around.
Surface is round. Yeah, make sure
when I do square,
it's not hybrid. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. How you get 5? Anyway, you can use the method in exam. Means use y represent g of x, then solve for x. Means write x as a function of y. Then from it find y cannot be what kind of value, right? I'm waiting for Neil's answer.
Okay, I'm not entirely too sure, but I don't think it's right. I don't know.
Okay, I already show on the screen. If follow the method I showed first, it's like you simplify this, right? 3 is common factor for denominator. 4 is common factor for numerator. Anyway, write as this. Follow the method I already shown. It means this. Then this cannot be 1 because this cannot be 0, right? So this cannot be 1. So company this G cannot be 4 over 3. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then 33 minus 1, 32. Oh. This help you to review algebra, right? 32, anyway. How about I divide them into 3 groups? Let me try to divide them into 3 groups. Let me say, hold. Okay. How about I do here? Oh, come on. This for me, James. This for Neil. This for Ray. If you think it's very simple, you can skip it. But if it's not simple, you'd better write it. Oh, I get all the simple. Ray, which one you are working on? Yeah, you can have a pointer. For example, it's K or M or L. Which one? K. Yeah, let me circle for you. All right. 1 over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You mentioned L F M negative. Yeah. It's either -4 and negative of f of negative x. Hold. Here already have f of negative x, so you let it go to operate, right? So L is here, let it go to, yeah. Okay, not so hard. If you want to find 1 or 2 from Neil's group, I mean, if later you choose 2, you think it's kind of difficult. Which one you choose? Yeah, this is a question for Ray. Yeah, if later you pick up 2.
I feel like I did something wrong. I don't know.
Let's say,
could you circle? Ray, could you circle?
2.
You mean I and J?
Okay.
I and J. Okay, yeah. So let's check F, suppose either. G, also either. G, yeah, 4 minus 3 x squared. H, yeah, just use 1 over x replace x, right? In the formula. Okay, then I Neo unit is blank. Blank. Yeah. Yeah, how about we clear we right? So Ray, do you have idea to do I?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
How? Yeah, could you show? J, I think not so difficult, right? You just x square multiply. Then you get, is this your answer for J? It's not so correct. Say what I write. Yeah, this is a.
That's the whole thing.
You should have x square distributed. You get 4x squared instead of just 4, right? 4x squared minus 3x cubed. Yeah, anyway. Now let's say what from Ray. F of 4. Yeah, can you, Neil, can you understand what Ray,
Yeah.
right?
I forgot that f of x
Yeah.
equals 4x.
Yeah, if you feel confused, you can do it step by step. Means this is like input, right? So you have 4 minus 3 of input. Input is f of x. Then f of x is this. Okay, we make it. 43. Let t of x is this. Find and simplify each expression. Let's say yeah, how about we just do one? Do part C. Read some, yeah. Okay, I'll see if you guys get the same answer.
Okay, cool.
You done? You done? Just this?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. But maybe, let me see. Yeah, you can double check. I still not sure if you are wrong or correct. Yeah, but to play safe, you can double check. Now I'm working on. I get the answer. But different to you. Ray, you keep you done? Ray.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep it.
Oh wait, I forgot the negative 3x. Okay.
Wait.
I forgot the negative 3x.
Then what should be correct answer? So let me show you guys. This equal to so first make sure to write both function correctly. Right. Then simplify it. Okay, let me show you. So
is it 13x plus? No wait.
Say it again.
Is it 10x plus 6?
No.
Oh no,
We should have 16x.
I got minus 3x.
Bonus. Anyway, let me show you. This means some skills, right? So yeah, as I mentioned just now, write these two function correctly. So t of x plus 2, so it's 2x plus 2 square minus 3x plus 2. Am I right? Okay, minus. This is even I change the color. Minus. Yeah, for this, I give it a big bracket. Yeah, okay. So it's 2x minus 2 square, right? Minus 3x minus 2. Am I right? Yeah, then you have two choices. One is you just multiply each of them, then combine like term, right? This means regular way. But we can have some special way. How? Yeah, here means scale. You say if you watch, they are actually very similar, right? And this means kind of similar. So divide them into two groups per if they are similar or not. So we have 2. This means x plus 2 square minus x minus 2 square, right? Then for this, we have negative 3 as a common factor, right? So minus 3. Then here I have x plus 2, right? Then minus means from here, 2 x minus 2, right? Then, okay, from here, can you guys working from here to get the final answer? Yeah, go to next page. Yeah, working on. I can cancel what we wrote here. Let me see. Oh no, I don't mean to save it. After the equal sign, write your answer. Let me see. Yeah, you see, now we are on the same page. This x squared plus x squared.
Wait, that's
Yeah, it's not reasonable. X squared plus x plus what's this?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. No, clear this. Yeah. Okay, let me continue to finish it. You know, we have a formula means if a, oh, come on. If a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? So for here, you can use it. 2. Then first go to x plus 2 and plus x minus 2. Here is x plus 2 minus x, then plus 2. Right? For here, yeah, you say x plus 2 minus x, so x gone. Minus negative 2, just 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Anyway, here is negative 16. Right? Then negative 12, I'm sorry. So simplify here, it means 2x. Simplify here, it means 4, right? So together it's 16x minus 12. Yeah, that's it. And then let's go next. 55 minus 1, 54. Yeah, we have many problems, right? Yeah, if you have time, you can do as more as you want. But for each problem, make sure you understand it. After, especially when you already done. Oh, they are separate problem. 54. Let f equal to z. Show that f of equal to x, where a squared plus bc cannot be 0. Yeah, maybe we can work together. Think about it.
So we have to.
Yeah, one thing is we just use this to replace x here, right? Then simplify it. During the simplifying process, suppose maybe for example this be your coefficient or like be denominator. We still not know, right? Either other way. Let me see. No, I still not know if we have some shortcut. Anyway, per this, then this means it means a now x replaced by this input, right? So ax plus b, cx minus a plus b, cx minus a, ax plus b minus a, right? Yeah, then how to simplify it? The answer is suppose is x, but we still not know, right? Do you guys have good idea to simplify it?
Maybe you can multiply.
If Ray has idea, you can just write on screen. Leo, you say it again.
Say multiply both sides by c ax plus b over cx minus a minus a.
Minus a. Yeah, could you write? Ray, if you have idea, show on the screen. Oh, come on. So let me hold it. Run. So you mean both numerator and denominator multiply this, right? Oh, come on. This and this, they are the same, right? Neil, what's your idea? Let me see. Oh, you mean this equal to this? Here is x. No, we still not know this equal to x. We wanna make conclusion this equal to x.
Oh.
But yeah, we need to build this conclusion. That means this conclusion already true, right? Then let us show this. Or here can write verify that blah. Right? Okay, now let's talk about this. Now it's too complicated, right? Yeah, keep it. I mean, cancel this. Then how? In order to move this next ration, we want to remove it. You just, you say this, right? You just multiply cx minus a. This also multiply cx minus a, right? Then let's keep going. Yeah, of course, cx minus a cannot be 0, right? Yeah, anyway, let's continue. So here go to a time ax plus b. Anyway, it means a square x plus ab, right? So here is b multiply this. Yeah, let me write it. So bc x minus ab, right? The similar thing here is acx plus bc minus acx. Negative a, go to a square, right? Then simplify. Let me show it. This cancel, right? So we get a square plus bcx. Then for bottom, cancel this. So we have a square plus bc, right? Then if this not be 0, so cancel it. Then we get x, right? Yeah, we do this not from this. We just do it from the algebraic rule, right? Anyway, save it. Then 65 is here. Oh. Yeah, we don't do something challenging. we mean -1, so we go here. But if we +1, we go here, 67. Anyway. Oh. Yeah, read it and think about it. Pi is this. For each natural number n, let g n be the digit in the nth decimal place of pi. For instance, according to the expression pi g1 equal to 1, g2 equal to 4, g5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 9, right? for pi given above to evaluate. Yeah, I suppose A is easy, right? Just go to find it. So we skip it. B. Use the internet to help you evaluate. Oh, come on. Suggest using any of the common search engine under the category of mathematical or for pi here, for example, is a site for what available as reason. The pi search page at Angel. Okay, anyway, are you guys interested? Let's just find the one. Go to G100. Okay. Yeah, G100. You already get?
Each is smart and like each is a part.
Yeah, okay. How about we skip this problem? Yeah, if you're interested, just go to this website. We don't need to use any algebraic method, right? Nothing to do. Yeah, so let's have a chance go to one of these from the range of function. How about we do 68?
Another range problem.
Yeah. We still have 3 minutes. Oh, hold. I didn't show X. Okay. Cool. Are you sure? How you know? Just by guess?
It's a proper rational function.
Proper rational function. You mean you made this before? The similar problem before?
So
Oh, okay. Anyway.
What if it was square root of -1?
So by the way, what's the domain?
domain is
Oh, your number.
Yeah.
Right. Because X also can be 0. Here is always
square root of -1.
yeah, what's the answer you get for the run?
Not the answer, but just what about square root of -1?
Yeah, I cannot mention what's the parent function here. It's not any of the basic function, right? It's neither of basic function. Yeah, maybe we can use the method in the exam. So here go to yx squared plus y equal to x, right? Yeah, think it as quadratic y x squared minus x plus y equal to 0, right? Correct? Yeah, do you think this quadratic equation has real solutions? This is, take x as a variable. Do you think this has a solution for x? Suppose yes, right? Then per the b squared minus 4ac should, yeah, anyway, it's 1, right? 1 square minus 4, a is y, c also y, right? This should be greater than or equal to 0, right? That being said, 4y squared should less than 1, right? Yeah. Then suppose, do you already get the idea? Suppose y should yeah, both sides take square root. You have 2y should less than 1, right? 2y square root. Oh, sorry, absolute value. Then we have 2y with negative 1 and 1. So y is greater than, right? Yeah, I'm not sure if this has answer. Let's go to check. I suppose we don't have answer because normally there is an answer for all the problems. Anyway, let's go to check. This is 3.1. 3. Where are we? Yeah, 3 point. No answer, right? But there is answer for problem 65. Yeah, you say all the problem. But it looks like for chapter test, they have answer for each problem, right? Okay, anyway, that's all for today's class.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.